Hello there. Just give you a quick little rundown on new machine we've just got into stock. It's the Warrior machine and it's the slot punch, which they haven't had on this. Slot punch, they're used for IDs, all sorts of ID badge holders and things like that. There's various versions, and also luggage tab ones for luggage straps and that sort of thing. There's quite a few different things that use this little slot punch. So if I just get some of those out of the way, very simple to use. The machine comes with a foot switch, so we can just activate the machine like so. Little side guide there to put them in, hit the foot switch. We can do the slot punch like so. Very simple to use, very easy. If you've got any other questions or any samples you'd like us to try, please do get in contact with us at Chilvers Reprographics.